Okay guys, so in this video I want to show you how you can improve your reading habits today. If you're like me, you might feel like you have a really short attention span when it comes to reading. You might start a book and don't really process what's going on. Maybe you forgetting quite quickly what you read, and you might keep notes that you never revisit afterwards. I want to show you how I use Notion to create a great system where you can track your books, you can track your authors, and you can gamify your experience and just overall improve your reading experience with a few simple tricks. So let me show you how this template works. This is a bookworm template, and it's designed to help you improve your reading habits, track your books and your authors, and challenge yourself to read more books and read them better than you are doing right now. If you feel unorganized, and if you read dozens or even hundreds of books each year, you might need a better system. And this is exactly why this template is for you. So let's go over it and let's see what kind of features does this template offer. First of all, you will see that you can track your books in a very nice manner. You can sort them by their status, or you can keep some kind of wish list of read later, and you can also see what books did you already read, so you might want to revisit them at some point. There is a bookshelf that have all of the books sorted out by category or by genres. Pretty straightforward, but you can open every book and you will have this kind of template that will give you a hub where you can keep your notes. You can keep some best quotes that you saw. Like if you want to add another quote, you just click a button and you put whatever information you want to save for later. You can keep some action items if you want to have something that you actually have to do that book suggests you want to try. And it's pretty easy to use. It's just you keep adding in your notes, and they're going to show up here. And it's pretty easy to do in Notion. You can add your review, but what's most importantly, you can keep the notifications for your reminders. So if you have some notes that you added, you can create a reminder for yourself and say something like, remind tomorrow to revisit them, or remind in 2023. And whatnot. What else? You also have the option to keep your library card and to keep the tab of all of the books that you borrowed from your library. When did you borrow and when do you need to return it? If you have more than one library, you can just another library card, just put a library name, your ID, when is usually the return period, and you can have it all put together in this one place. Also, you will find some reading challenges that you can set for yourself. There are a few preset, but if you want to have a new challenge of reading, maybe 20 books about a specific topic, you can add it here. You can put duration, and you will basically keep yourself accountable and on your reading habits. That's how you can improve and challenge yourself to read more and read better. You can also set yourself in the right mood by keeping a timer or a stopwatch that you want to use for a book. Maybe you don't want to read for a long period of time, and you want to set aside 25 minutes sections for daily reading. That will bring you a long way if you do it consistently. And you can do it as all together with some cool music, or maybe some classical music, or maybe some ambient sounds like a rain or whatnot. This simple tool is basically created for you to keep notes that you revisit later. I think it's very important because we forget what we read, and when you create notes as you read, it's going to keep you organized, and it's going to help you if you struggle with some bad memory and if you want to become a better reader than you are right now. I hope you like it. I suggest you check it out. Ask any questions in the comments, and you will find the URL somewhere in the comment section or in the description. See you.